Hey there, Raiders. Here's how to unlock more steering decks in Sand. If you've just started building your own trampler, you've probably noticed that the default steering deck is very open, leaving the pilot exposed to enemy fire. It also can't support additional decks or compartments above it because it doesn't have a supporting frame. To unlock better steering deck variants, head back to the main lobby and open the tech tree. Navigate to Landwehr's branch, which is the green upgrade path. Here you'll find the first steering deck upgrade, which unlocks the framed steering deck. The framed version allows you to build additional decks and compartments above it, giving you much more flexibility when designing multi-level tramplers. As you continue progressing through the tech tree, you'll unlock larger steering deck variants with cloth canopies and built-in lights. These mainly offer a different appearance and a bit more space, rather than additional protection. If you're looking for better survivability, keep working your way toward the armored steering decks, found on the higher tiers of the tech tree. These provide much better protection for the pilot, but they'll require significantly more crowns and rarer crafting materials to unlock. Once you've unlocked the steering deck you want, return to your Trampler's build page and replace the default steering deck with your new variant. Whether you want the framed version for better building options or one of the larger or armored designs, you'll have much more freedom to customize your Trampler to suit your playstyle. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by, and see you in the next side quest.